Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the energy.gov's Appliance Energy Calculator. This is the website you go to, but there's a link in the blog assignment right above this video, so just follow that link to this website. And when you're working on your blog assignment, you're going to have to use this calculator to come up with an estimate of how much energy you use per year and how much that energy costs you for one appliance of your choice. So you have to learn how to use this in order to do the assignment. But fortunately for you, this is very easy. Okay, so you're going to go to this website. You're going to pick your appliance. So the example I'm going to do is a laptop computer. As I mentioned in the assignment, my laptop computer cost me about $500 to buy new. So I go into this list here of my appliances and I find a computer notebook PC, so mine's a laptop, that's me. Then you need to figure out how many watts your device uses. Okay, for that you can just search around on the internet. I found this article, this review of my laptop, and it said that when it was charging it used an average of 36.3 watts. So that's what I'm going to put in as my number, 36.3. But if there's other ways you could come up with this as well, you could go to Google and do something generic like laptop wattage, and if you search that, it'll tell you how much electricity does the computer use, and it says right here they use 15 to 45 watts. So 36.3 sounds like a reasonable estimate. Okay, now you'll have a different thing you're looking at. You're not going to be working on laptops, so you'll use your own appliance and you'll come up with your own estimate. Alright, then you need the utility rate, and if you click on this box here, it'll give you different states. So we're gonna go down until we find the state of New York. That's the state we live in, right? Okay. So it tells you that the state of New York charges you typically about 18 cents per kilowatt hour. Then you need to think about how often you use this appliance per day. So I use my computer a lot, some days more than others, but I would guess I use it about 2 hours per day. And if you want, you can type in decimals. You can say like 1.5, but I think 2 is about right. And then how many days a year? This is harder to estimate. There's 365 days in a year. I don't think I use my computer every day. Sometimes I'm not even home if I'm traveling. So I'm going to say about half the days, about 150 days per year. But again, this is an estimate, so you can guess. All right. So according to that guess, my computer costs me about $1.94 a year in energy. Okay. So I'm going to use that number of $1.94. It costs me $1.94 every year to power my laptop. It's actually surprisingly cheap.